Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. In this channel we are going to see some important topics or MCQs in electromagnetic field theory. Before going into the video, like, share and subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. You will receive notifications as and when we upload videos. Previously we have seen around 1 to 50 around 50 MCQs in EMFT, electromagnetic field theory. See, in that under electromagnetic field theory we have seen 1 to 50 MCQs in our previous videos in electrostatics, in the topic of electrostatics multiple choice questions. If you haven't seen those videos still, kindly check with the playlist. Let's start the video. 51st question. From 51 we will start. Which of the following material has the least value of dielectric constant? Four options are given: ceramics, oil, glass, paper. What is asked? Which of the following material has least value of dielectric constant? Is nothing but option B, oil. Then next question, which of the following capacitor will have the least value of breakdown voltage? Whereas in our previous question, what is asking? Least value of dielectric constant. In this question, what is in that question will have the least value of breakdown voltage is nothing but option D, electrolytic. Then next one, the breakdown voltage for paper capacitor is usually four different options are given. Usually it is option B, 200 to 1600 volts. Then move on to the next one. 54. Dielectric constant for mica is nearly. Four different options are given. The right option is option C, 3 to 8. Then which of the following capacitor can be used for temperature compensation? For temperature compensation, option B, ceramic capacitor can be used. Then next question, which of the following statement is incorrect? Read the question carefully. Which of the following statements is incorrect? See, four different options are given. First one is the thinner the dielectric, the more the capacitant and lower the voltage breakdown rating for a capacitor. Which means that the thinner dielectric will be the more having the more value of capacitance and the breakdown voltage will be lower. So this is the correct one. So what is asked? Which statement is? We need to find out the wrong statement. Then a 6 dot mica capacitor colored coded white, green, black, red and yellow has the capacitance value of 500 picofarad is the wrong one. Then other two options are given. Capacitors in series provide less capacitance but the higher voltage breakdown rating for the combination. Okay. A capacitor can store charge because it has a dielectric between two conductors. This is also correct. The wrong option is, incorrect option is option B. Then paper capacitor usually have a tolerance of four different options are given. Which one? Plus or minus 10%. Option B is the right option. Then next question, for closer tolerances, which of the following capacitor is usually preferred? Four different options are given for closer tolerances. That mica capacitor, option B, mica capacitor is preferred. Okay. Then move on to the next one. The electrostatic force between two charges of 1 coulomb each and placed at a distance of 0.5 meter will be. We need to find out the electroforce between two charges. What is the charges value? What is the formula for electrostatic force? Actually, F equal to Q 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 divided by distance squared d squared. So what is here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value? We have a standard value for that. 1 by 4 pi epsilon is nothing but 9 into 10 power 9 Newton. Sorry, 9 into 10 power 9. The value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is nothing but 9 into 10 power 9. So what is the Q1 Q2 divided by R squared? Remaining Q1 and Q2 given as charges of 1 coulomb each. So Q1 and Q2 equal to 1 divided by d squared, distance squared. Distance is nothing but 0.5. 0.5 squared in the denominator. What is the value of 0.5 squared? Is nothing but 0.25. So 1 by 0.25 is nothing but 4. Already we have the value for 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is that value? 9 into 10 power 9. We have 1 by 0.25 as 4. So 9 into 4 is nothing but 36 into 10 power 9 Newton. Option D is the right option for this problem. Then 60th question. The units of volume charge density are 4 options. The same option is given. What is the unit for volume charge density is coulomb per meter. Okay, correct option is the 4 options also same option given. Coulomb per meter is the right option, is the answer for that problem. Next, the value of dielectric constant for vacuum is taken as, we know that for vacuum what is the dielectric constant value? 1. Option B 1. Then next one, which of the following capacitor is marked for polarity? 4 different options are given. It is meant for marked for polarity is nothing but option D electrolytic. Then 63, the surface integral of the normal component of the electric displacement D over any closed surface equals the charge enclosed by the surface. The above statement is associated with which one? We all know that. What is that? Gauss law. Option A, Gauss law is the right option for this problem. Then next one, dielectric strength of mica is, what is 4 different options are given. What is the dielectric strength of your mica? 50 to 200 kilovolt per millimeter. Option C is the right option for this question. Then the dielectric constant or relative permittivity. Dielectric constant is nothing but relative permittivity of glass is given by 4 different options are given. What is that? Option D 5 to 100 is the right option for this question. Then capacitors are mainly used for radio frequency tuning. For radio frequency tuning, air capacitor is used. Option B, air capacitor is the right answer. Then capacitor used for, we need to know which type of capacitor used for which function or which specification. Okay, for air capacitor mainly used for radio frequency tuning. For this question, next question, what is that? Capacitors, sorry, previous. Capacitors can be used only for DC is nothing but electrolytic. Then capacitors are used in transistor circuit is nothing but option A, ceramic. In previously, what is that? Capacitor used for radio frequency tuning is nothing but air capacitor is used for radio frequency tuning, and capacitors can be electrolytic capacitors can be used only for DC. Then ceramic capacitor are used in transistor circuits. Then what is then? See, in this question, capacitors are used for audio frequency and radio frequency coupling and tuning. See, in our previous question, what is capacitor used for radio frequency tuning? Only for radio frequency tuning it is air capacitor. In this question, capacitor are used for both audio frequency and radio frequency coupling and tuning. For that, which capacitor can be used? Mica capacitor can be used. So we need to know different type of capacitor and its uses. Okay. Then 70, number 70, the inverse of capacitance is called reluctance, conductance, susceptance, elastance. Option D, elastance. Inverse of capacitance is called elastance. Then when the dielectric is homogeneous, the potential gradient is option A, uniform, non-uniform, 0 or any of the above. When the dielectric is homogeneous, the potential gradient is uniform. Then next question, the potential gradient across the material of low permittivity is dash than. This is dash than, whether smaller or greater than across, dash than across the material of high permittivity. Potential gradient across the material of low permittivity is greater than across the material of high permittivity. For this answer, option B is the right option for this problem. Answer B, right? For the potential gradients across the material of low permittivity is greater than see that options, greater than across the material of high permittivity. Then next one, dash field is associated with the capacitor. We know that electric field is associated with the capacitor, whereas magnetic field is associated with the inductor. So, for this question, option A, electric field is associated with the capacitor. Then next one problem. A capacitor having capacitance of 5 microfarad is charged to a potential difference of 10,000 volt. The energy stored in the capacitor is, what is given? The capacitance value and potential difference value is given. We need to find out the energy stored in the capacitor. What is the formula for finding out the energy stored in the capacitor? E equal to half CV squared. Okay. Then we need to substitute each and every value. E equal to half into 5 into 10 power minus 6 into V squared. What is V squared? V squared is 10,000 volt, otherwise can be simplified as 10 power 4 volt. Okay. 10 power 4 V square na, so 10 power 4 the whole squared, what we will get? 10 power 8. So here what is 10 power minus 6? 5 into 10 power minus 6. So 10 power 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6 is nothing but 10 squared na. 5 into 10 squared, what is that? 500. So CV squared value is 500. What is the energy stored? CV squared by 2. So 500 divided by 2 is nothing but 250. Answer D, 250 joules is the right answer, right option for this problem. Then 75, question number 75, the total deficiency or excess of electrons in the body is known as, 4 different options are given. Option D, charge. So the total deficiency or excess of electrons in the body is known as option D, charge. Okay. Then next question, the relative permittivity has the following units. Relative permittivity is nothing but epsilon r. Epsilon equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r. What is epsilon r? Epsilon divided by epsilon naught. So relative permittivity has no units. So answer D, has no units is the right answer. Then move on. The phenomenon of uncharged body getting charged merely by the nearness of a charged body is known as, what is that? Induction. Because the phenomenon of uncharged body getting charged merely by the nearness of a charged body, when it is uncharged body getting charged when it is closer to the charged body, is known as induction. Option D, induction is the right option for this question. Then a unit tube of flux is known as tube Faraday. Option B, Faraday is the right answer. Then the number of Faraday tubes of flux passing through a surface in an electric field is called electric flux. Number of Faraday tubes of flux passing through a surface in an electric field is called electric flux. Option A, electric flux is the right option. Then unit of electric field intensity. Electric field intensity, E is nothing but F by Q. F is nothing but force, Q is nothing but charge. What is the unit of force? Force is nothing but Newton. What is the unit of charge? Charge is nothing but unit of charge is Coulomb. So Newton per Coulomb. So E equal to F by Q. The unit of electric field intensity equal to N by C, which means that Newton per Coulomb. Option C, N by Newton per Coulomb is the right option for this problem. Then the value of E within the field due to a point charge can be found with the help of point charge. See the key point charge is nothing but Coulomb's law. Option C, Coulomb's law is the right option for this problem. Then at a point may be defined as equal to the lines of force passing normally through a unit cross section at that point is nothing but electric intensity. Line of force passing normally through a unit cross section is nothing but electric intensity. Option A, electric intensity is the right option for this problem. Then electric intensity at any point in an electric field is equal to the dash at the point. is in the fill in the blanks like electric intensity at any point in an electric field is equal to the potential gradient at that point. So option C, potential gradient is the right option. Then what is electric displacement? Is a vector quantity. See, electric field, electric angular momentum, linear momentum, electric field and electric displacement all are vector quantity. Then electric potential is a scalar quantity. What is here? Electric displacement is a vector quantity. Option B, vector quantity. Then at a point is equal to the negative potential gradient. At that point is nothing but electric intensity. What is that? At a point is equal to the negative potential gradient. At that point is nothing but electric intensity. Then unit of dielectric strength is given. What is a dielectric strength actually? Dielectric strength equal to dividing the voltage by the thickness of its plate sample. So in that question itself we can dividing the voltage. So voltage divided by thickness of plate sample. Thickness of plate sample denoted in meters. So volt per meter. Option A, volt per meter is the right option for this problem. Unit of dielectric strength is volt per meter. Then dielectric strength dash with increasing thickness. It is related to previous problem. What is dielectric strength? Volt per meter na. So meter in that thickness of the plate. If dielectric strength is inversely proportional to the thickness of the plate. Okay. E equal to V by D something. Okay. Dielectric strength equal to inversely proportional to the thickness of the plate. So when we increasing the thickness, dielectric strength will be decreases. Obviously it is decreases. Option B, decreases is the right option. Then the property of a capacitor to store electricity is called its capacitance. Property of a capacitor to store electricity is called its capacitance. Option A, capacitance is the right option. Then dash is that property of a capacitor which delays any change of voltage across it. Nothing but capacitance. Capacitance is that property of a capacitor which delays any change of voltage across it. Option B, capacitance is the correct option. Then one problem, a capacitor has 100 microfarad. This is microfarad is connected in series with the resistance of 8000 ohms. The time constant of the circuit is, we need to find out the time constant of the circuit. Time constant tau is nothing but RC, multiplying R, the R value and C value. So R is nothing but 8000 ohms multiplied by 100 microfarad. So what we will get? Time constant as in 10 power, see, 10 cube into 10 power 2, 10 power 5, 8 into 10 power 5 into 10 power minus 6 for microfarad, 10 power minus 6. So 5 minus 6 equal to minus 1. So 8 into minus 10 power minus 1 is nothing but 0.8. 0.8 seconds. Time constant unit is seconds. So 0.8 seconds. Option D, 0.8 second is the right option for this problem. Then in a cable capacitor, voltage gradient is maximum at the surface of the conduction. Voltage gradient is maximum at the surface of the conduction. Option B, conduction is the right option. Then the time constant of an RC circuit is defined as the time during which capacitor charging voltage actually rises to. This term or this word is, we need to be very careful. Rises means rises to the 63.2% of its final value. So three different options are 37 initial, 63.2 initial, 63.2 final, 37 comma final. So it is rises to 63.2 comma of its final value. Option C, 63.2 of percentage of its final value rises to. Okay. Then C, this is related to our previous problem only. See, let's see what is given. The time constant on RC circuit may be also defined as the time during which the charging current falls to. When what is asked in the previous question, rises to 63.2 of its final value. When the word come false, 37 percentage of its initial maximum value. So which combinations for rising we need to do 63.2 percentage of its final value. So for rising 63.2 of its final value. For falling falls to 37 of its initial value, 63 to final, 37 to initial value. So for rising 63 to final, for falling what is that, 37 to 37 of its initial maximum value. Okay, answer A, 37 is the right answer. Then the capacitance of a capacitor is influenced by plate area, plate separation, nature of dielectric, none of the above, all of the above. It is influenced by plate area, right, plate separation and nature of dielectric. All the characters, all the, for all of the above. E, all of the above is the right option for this problem. A capacitor consists of four different options are given: ceramic plates and one mica disc, insulators separated by a dielectric, silver coated insulators, conductor separated by an insulator. This is a very important question. A capacitor consists of two conductors separated by an insulator. Not, this is to confuse us. They are giving us insulator separated by a dielectric or insulator separated by a conductors. Whatever they will give, but what is the capacitor? Two conductors separated by an insulator. So option B, option D is the right option for this problem. Then what is the permittivity? Permittivity, unit of permittivity is nothing but farad per meter. Option B, farad per meter. Then dielectric strength of a material depends on moisture content, temperature, thickness, all of the above, none of the above. So option D, all of the above. Material depends on the moisture content, temperature and thickness. Okay. Then what will happen to an insulating medium if voltage more than the breakdown voltage is applied on it? What happened to an insulating medium if the voltage is more than the breakdown voltage is applied on it? Four options are given. It will become magnetic, it will get melt, it will get punctured or cracked, its molecular structure will get changed. So what is the right option? It will get punctured or cracked. Option C is the right option for this problem. Then which medium has the least dielectric strength? From this option, option D, air has the least dielectric strength. Then 1 volt per meter is same as option C, 1 Newton per meter, which is equal to 1 volt per meter is nothing but 1 Newton per meter. Okay. Option C, 1 Newton per meter is the right option for this problem. Okay, we will end up this video. Previously we have, I have already told you, previously we have discussed in EMFT, under EMFT in electrostatics field, we have discussed 1 to 50 questions. In that video also we have around 50 questions. From 51 to 100 we have discussed multiple choice questions in EMFT. So if you are not watching, we have posted many videos under ECE subject like engineering mathematics, microprocessor and communication system and control system, in many topics. If you haven't seen those videos still, kindly check with the playlist. And thanks for watching. Before ending up the video, like, share and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. You will receive, then only you will receive all notification as in when we upload videos. Thank you.